Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we're gonna make a lemon butter shrimp linguine. So let's get cooking. The ingredients for this recipe are gonna be garlic cloves, fresh parsley, Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, spinach, linguine, some lemon, olive oil, our shrimp, butter, and Parmesan cheese. All right guys, so we are gonna get this dish going. It's a really simple dish, one pot, which we love. Again, staying with our theme of getting the kids back to school. You know, we have football practice around here. I know some kids are doing dance and whatever activities they have after school. So let's get our water boiling and get that pasta in there. While we wait for that water to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and prep our other ingredients. Now I prefer with my spinach to take these stems off. If you don't mind them, then leave them how they are. But I'm gonna rinse this spinach and get these ends cut off. So this cute little thing is an herb stripper. You can use it for all different kinds of things. It would help if I put the stem in the right way. And it's gonna have a couple of little holes there. You just figure out which hole works best for whatever the item is that you're trying to strip. And you pull it through, and then the parsley is off the stem. So it's a pretty neat little thing. I like it. Our parsley is just for garnish, so we don't need a ton of it. It's just to make the dish look pretty. If you don't need to make it look pretty, that's okay. You don't have to use it. All right, we've got that pasta going. We have about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and mince my garlic. I decided to use 5 cloves for this. And then I'm gonna use 1 lemon. Well, maybe I'll do 2 lemons. As you guys know, I do not follow a recipe. I get my idea and then I make it my own. So don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. You know, like don't add crazy stuff. Don't do that to your family. They won't appreciate that. But you can get creative with some spices and that kind of stuff. Now this is our lemon for the lemon butter sauce. I will also go ahead and cut one up for garnish. And that way, if somebody wants to squeeze a little extra lemon juice on their pasta, they can do that. Our pasta is finished, so we're gonna go ahead and take it off the heat, let that drain and sit in the colander, and then we will get the other ingredients to put in this pan, because remember, 1 pan. We've got that pasta sitting over there, getting all happy. So we are gonna add 6 pads of butter to that same pot. We're also going to add our olive oil, maybe about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I have my 5 cloves of minced garlic that I cut up earlier. And to give it a little kick, we're gonna have some red pepper flakes. Don't overdo it if you don't like spice. It's not gonna be like hot, but you just need a little bit of flavor to this shrimp. All right, so we'll let this sit here before we add our shrimp. We're ready to add our shrimp. Now remember, shrimp cooks quickly, so be prepared, have all your ingredients out so that you don't overcook it. I went ahead and got the shrimp that was already peeled. It has the tails left on, which is fine for this dish. Try to, you want it to be deveined just because it looks prettier. So this is 1.5 pounds of about a large, medium to large shrimp. So add that to your pot. And then go ahead and add the spinach in as well. And this is about 4 ounces of spinach, and obviously it's going to wilt. So you're just gonna cook it down. I'm gonna add my Italian seasoning. All of your seasonings are gonna be to taste. So if you like it to have a little more flavor, then you just add more flavor. We're also gonna put some salt and pepper. And we want to mix it around so we get that seasoning on the shrimp as well. Now, if you're watching your carbs, you could leave the linguine part out, serve it with just this and maybe like a side salad. Or you could obviously do the zucchini noodles if that's what you prefer. We're splurging a little today. I can have a little tiny bit of pasta, and so it'll be fun. A little treat. Once you have that all stirred up, go ahead and take your lemon and squeeze that lemon juice right over top. I'm going to use a whole lemon for this. These juicers work amazing. And then we're going to add some of our Parmesan cheese right now. Our shrimp is pretty much gone, cooked. We are just waiting for a couple of pieces. That way we can go ahead and add our pasta back to our pot. So you're just gonna add that pasta right back to your pot. I don't think I'm gonna use all of this because it looks like it's gonna be way too much. And then I will add a little bit more butter. The biggest thing is mixing it all together so you make sure you get all those flavors on everything. I'm going to turn my heat off because I don't need to cook anything anymore. So I'm just going to I added 2 little pads of butter just to give it a little coating. You can never go wrong with too much butter, I don't think. That's the Southern girl in me. Sorry. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get this plated up. My dad, Wayne, is here visiting today, so I'm going to go feed these boys. Thank you, as always, for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to make lemon butter shrimp linguine?
Yes.
Okay. See, you get to see behind the scenes.